We often come across the advice in order for us to put on muscle and get stronger, we need to ensure that progressive overload is included within our training plans. Today we're going to discuss what progressive overload is and how you can ensure that you've included it within your workout plans going forward.
Let's exchange your mind up. Let's exchange for what? Exchange for gains. Join that gym, get lost to the moment. Let's turn that to a lifestyle. We ain't getting any younger. Why fall to the side and lie down? Give it those plates, I'll push that. The only food ever put in my body be good. I don't wanna look good when I look back. I wanna look wham. This trend to get fitness, trust to the process.
Progressive overload is the term used to cause stress on your muscles in order for them to grow. This can be done by both resistance and weight training. This means as you progress, although the training may deem to be harder, it causes stimulus for your muscles which enables adaptation, which often results in muscle growth. If you continue with the same amount of resistance load or the same amount of weight load, after a while, in terms of your body, it will get used to that stimulus, which means the adaptation level will fall flat, it will get level, and your body will literally be immune to the amount of weight you're pushing. Hence why, in terms of muscle growth and strength growth, progressive overload is extremely important. The fundamentals of producing progressive overload can be divided into 3 sections. The first one is by increasing the resistance or weight load. By doing this, you'll be applying stress and pressure onto the trained muscle group, which enables it for it to grow. By the way, my good people, if you're feeling this channel, please feel free to subscribe right about now. Like I said in my previous video, this year we're looking to hit that 500 subscriber mark. It will help out the channel massively, and it will also help out the channel in terms of the algorithm. We're trying to hit everyone in terms of educating them when it comes to fitness, progressive overload, nutrition, weight loss, and how to build muscle. So if you could subscribe right about now, it'd be much appreciated. The second one is repetitions, also known as reps. This basically means the number of times you perform an exercise in one go. The more reps you conduct, the more equal you're applying stress on that muscle or that particular muscle group. And the third and final one is sets. Sets basically means the amount of time you performed each particular repetition. The more repetitions you perform, the more stress you're placing on that particular muscle, which enables the body to eventually adapt. Progressive overload can also be seen as improving your performance. The more weights you push, the more likelihood your muscles are to grow. The more stress you put on your muscles, the more likely your muscles are to grow. So regardless of what your level is, whether you're a beginner, advanced, or even if you're intermediate, as long as you're improving on your previous weight load or your previous repetition that you did perhaps the week before or perhaps the month before, it shows that you are conducting progressive overload. Okay, my good people, that is all from me for today. Like I previously said, if you're feeling this channel, please feel free to like, share, comment, subscribe. Shout me up on the socials, the Instagram, the TikToks, the Twitters, the links below. The name is The Ron Official. Until next time, stay blessed, stay motivated, get those gains.
Exchange for gains. Move it, Karen. Time I make those lifestyle changes. Do it like Darren.